In this video, I'm going to explain about use state book, no, use effect book. Effect book in- First, I will write one coding example and then I will write the definition and its purpose of use effect. Now, this are these three use effects in this code. First one is use without any array dependency. Here it is with empty array, and this one is array with dependency, single dependency, that is come, that is now. Save this, and if I run this one, if I reload this, it will show, it will remove all. But if I reload, so this is showing. Now I return the same console. This will run after every render. Okay, this will run after the first render, and this will run after changes. Now if I reload it, if I remove it, now if I reload it, this will run after every render. This will run after first. This will run after the count changes. So if I change the count, this will run after every render, and this will run after count changes. So these two are already there. But if I write here name, so it is changing. If I write here name NAME, this will run after name changes. If I write here, it is showing this will run after name changes. Okay. This one is use effect without any dependency. That is, nothing is written here. So whatever we write, the use effect is a React hook which allows to run side effects with functional components. So these are the function, this function we are writing here. So it will show that this should run. This is the side effect when there is when there are changes made in this or this or this. Here it is empty. So it will run after every render. But here it is a single empty array, and here it is name and name. So name, when name changes, it will change. Otherwise, if I write count, so count changes here, then only it will change. But if I run this, there's no change. Now I save this. If I comment this, now I can see that clearly count. This will run after count changes. So count is changing. This is true. If I change name, it is not changing anything. Okay, because name is not here. This will run after first, but it is not showing any change because here we need it is in strict mode. If I remove this strict mode and if I save this, it will show this will run after first. This will run after first render. I can write render. Now if I save this, so it is showing this will run after first render and this will run after count changes. So if I keep changing count, only count changes. If I keep changing this, only nothing changes. But this will run only after first time. So yes, use effect is a hook in React which allows uh, the side effects with the functional components. What are side effects? Side effects are dependencies. They can be of three types. That is no dependency. That is just first one. Or second is empty dependency array. And that is the second one. And third one is dependency with any variable with changes or with time. So here we have taken count and name. So using use state no, its initial state is 0 here and its initial state is empty string. So dependencies are also covered and the purpose of use effect is also covered. And what are side functions that are also covered. Side function is nothing but something which is outside of the component. Uh, that changes whenever the dependency changes. So when we change count, something outside of this also should change. So that change we are showing it in console. It can be anything. The changes can be of several different things. Like for example, fetching the data or changing make manipulating changes in a DOM structure. We can change the title of the page like document dot title is equal to, we can give it a new change, a new name. When count changes, the name of the title, name of the page should change. So this can be written here. We can write here dot and dot title is equal to uh, tip. Same this. No. No, your name of the page cannot be seen, but it is we have written this here that name should also change. So that is side effects and dependencies. Anything outside of this changes. If I write your name, so whenever name changes, if you want to make a side effect of it, that when a name changes, show me an alert message, or when name changes, so show me this message in console that we can give here. So if I write here something, and if I change it, name here, whenever name changes, comment this. Now if I write, so it is so. This will run after name. So when I make change in this, I want to see some side effects, so I can give these kind of side effects. That is the purpose of a use effect. It is to make changes in some other function when there is some particular dependency is changing. So dependency also I explain. Just thank you.